Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert only one page of a PDF file to a Word file using Wondershare PDF element. This is my PDF file and I'll convert this page only. Now click on this convert option and here you will find this Word option. Click here and select Word and click on this download and select here Word Docs, and here you will find the setting option. Click here and go custom page option and I'll type here page number 2 only and select OK and save folder. You can select and change desktop, select. Now finally select OK and see this. Our Word file now created, and see this is only one page, and see this is page number 2. Yeah, in this way you can convert only one page of a PDF file to Word file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.